Cogsworth's reflection.
Keep looking. We're going to create your portrait. Got it? I do.
It is perfect, yes? If not, you may try again. Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter.
Yeah, steady.
But first we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame. Would you rather dance and go to parties?
Or curl up in a good book. Do you prefer doing things you're used to?
Or the latest and greatest? But you hold more about the passion of your heart?
Or do you prefer to plan things out?
Or just see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask.
Would you rather eat lunch with nice people?
Or eat nice people for lunch?
Yes.
You are idealistic and strong-minded. You're a person with great devotion to your ideas and values. You're also a good friend who's always the voice of reason. You are most like Jiminy Cricket from Pinocchio. There you have it.
I do love a happy ending.
Au revoir.
Toodaloo.
Okay.
Who's next?